Hey guys, welcome back to another installation video. Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to install our 60-watt fog lights. Alright, so for our first step, we're going to want to go ahead, open up the hood, and remove the grill. So our next step, we're going to go ahead and remove this trim, and by doing so, we're going to remove these two screws. So for our next step, we're going to remove these 4 screws that holds the housing in place, but first, we got to do the wiring. So now that we got the factory fog light out, we're going to go ahead and install our 60-watt Xprite fog light. By doing so, we're going to do the steps in reverse by placing the fog light, 4 screws, and the wiring harness. Now that our fog lights are in place, it's time to put the trim back and the grill.